Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Monzo Flex virtual card. Monzo Flex is a feature that allows you to create a virtual card for online purchases, adding an extra layer of security to your transactions. To get started, you need to have a Monzo account and the Monzo app installed on your device. Open the app and navigate to the Cards section, where you will find the option to create a new virtual card. Tap on this option to begin the process. You will be asked to choose a name for your virtual card, which will help you identify it in your transactions. You can also set a spending limit for the virtual card, which is useful for keeping track of your expenses. Once you have created your virtual card, you can use it to make online purchases. You will receive a virtual card number, expiry date, and security code, which you can use to complete transactions. When you make a purchase, the amount will be deducted from your Monzo account, and you will receive a notification to confirm the transaction. You can also view your virtual card transactions in the Monzo app, where you can track your spending and stay on top of your finances. One of the key benefits of using Monzo Flex virtual card is that it provides an additional layer of security for your online transactions. If your virtual card details are compromised, you can easily cancel the card and create a new one, without affecting your main Monzo card. To cancel a virtual card, simply go to the Cards section in the Monzo app, select the virtual card you want to cancel, and tap on the Cancel option. This will immediately prevent any further transactions from being made using the virtual card. In conclusion, using Monzo Flex virtual card is a simple and secure way to make online purchases. By following these steps, you can create a virtual card, set a spending limit, and track your transactions, all from within the Monzo app. Remember to always keep your virtual card details safe and secure, and cancel the card if you suspect any suspicious activity. With Monzo Flex virtual card, you can enjoy a more secure and convenient online shopping experience.